Today, we're diving into the best tips for updating your Ellipal Wallet firmware safely and efficiently. Firmware updates are critical to ensuring your hardware wallet remains secure and fully functional. Ellipal frequently releases updates to enhance security, improve performance, and occasionally introduce new features. Before starting any update, always ensure your wallet has enough battery life, ideally above 50%, to prevent interruptions during the process, as sudden power loss can cause firmware corruption. The first step is to back up your wallet's seed phrase. Even though firmware updates are designed to be safe, having your backup ensures you can recover your funds in any unforeseen scenario. Keep your backup offline, secure, and never share it digitally or online. Once your backup is secured, download the official Ellipal app on your smartphone and connect your wallet. Make sure you are using the latest version of the app because outdated apps can prevent the update from installing correctly. Ellipal firmware updates are generally done via QR code scanning. Open the app, select your device, and check for firmware updates. The app will provide a QR code to scan with your wallet. Carefully follow the instructions on your device screen. During the update, do not disconnect, power off, or attempt to multitask. The process typically takes a few minutes, and once completed, the wallet will reboot automatically. After the firmware update, verify the firmware version in your wallet settings to ensure the update was successful. Check that all your accounts and balances appear correctly. If any issues arise, contact Ellipal support immediately. Regular firmware updates keep your Ellipal wallet protected from vulnerabilities, ensure smooth performance, and maintain compatibility with all supported cryptocurrencies. Following these tips guarantees your device stays secure and functions at its best.